Hey everybody, it's Darlene from Liquid Sunshine, and I just wanted to do an unveiling of the Nuda contouring air compressor. Okay, if I call it a gun, it's just habit, but this is what it is. First and foremost, it comes in a gorgeous black box that you can keep. You will keep all of your product in there, not the solution, but your manual, your USB cord, so on and so forth. So you do get a USB cord to charge it. You get the manual, which is great. You get a bunch of tools, which is also pretty amazing. Sorry, taking up time. Look, you get a little dropper because you're working with small amounts, and oh my God, it's like a Barbie screwdriver tool, something like that. Anyway, that's really great. You also get two sizes, and I really like that because you're doing large amounts or you just want to do small amounts. And there is the measurements on the side, so you know how much you're using for your contouring. And they have caps on them, of course, but don't take these off and lay them down because you will get leakage. Over your tip, there's a plastic protector, and I would also recommend that you keep that, and when you go to put it away in the box or wherever you hold it, to keep that on for protection. Okay. It is so easy and simple to use. Your dial is at the end and the trigger. That's it. So you have the trigger. So what I also liked about this is that Nuda was so smart. They actually wrapped instructions around it because they know we're just going to get in there and start putting it together and start using it. So it kind of makes you read it, because the bottom, right here, the bottom, you need to hold it and then you screw this on. So if you're going to use it holding the air compressor, so you hold the bottom screw, you place it on, and then you turn it for on or for off. And then it comes with this black long cable that you attach to the air compressor, and you attach to, I'm gonna say the gun, and you can actually, I don't know, you could actually put this in, tuck it in somewhere. And then it gives you more, you can do the full body kind of thing. Do you know what I mean? Instead of holding the air compressor. So I thought that was great. Look at this long. So you can do the whole body. It's really, really super great. It's really cool. I won't do it today, and I don't know that you can actually see it, but when you clean it, so your solution, once you use it, then you're gonna unscrew this, remove the solution. You're gonna put some clear water in. Oops, a little too much. Should have used the little dabber that it came with. And what you're going to do is you're going to hold your finger over here. Okay. And you're going to turn on the air compressor. You're going to hold your finger, and hopefully it will show it. So you can, sorry, so you can see the spraying going. And then you put your finger over it. Oops, I shut it off. I don't know if you can see, but it bubbles. So yes, you have to turn it on, you pull the trigger, and you keep your finger over here, and it brings up the little bit of solution that's still in here, brings it up, and you can see it bubbling up in here. So once that runs clear, then you're fine. So I hope that helps. I used it last night. I used it just on my face, just did a little bit of contouring, so I don't have to use the contour every day on my face. And yeah, I think this is really cool, and I think it's a game changer where Nuda also has the cord, the cable, I should say, cable to go to connect with the air compressor and this, and you have so much room to do full body. I love it. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So thank you to Nuda for doing that. All right, so everybody have a great day. Enjoy your contouring. Add contouring to your spray tanning. Start off small, just contouring the face till you get used to it. And there you go. It's great. It's a great added addition to your menu. Okay, everybody, peace out.